safety is an important element for a remote pilot to consider prior to operating an unmanned aircraft system. To prevent the final link in an accident chain, a remote pilot must consider which of the methodologies: safety management system, crew, resource management, risk management. Got to go with crew, because you're thinking about everything. It's risk management. Risk management. Excessive weight reduces the flight performance by reducing takeoff speed, maneuverability, stall speed. We don't have to worry about stall speed. We don't have to worry about takeoff speed. Maneuverability. Go with it. Yes. Go with it. All right. Responsibility for collision avoidance in an alert area rests with the controlling agency, all pilots, air traffic control. The pilots. Figure 23, Area 2. What is the height of the group obstacle? Approximately 2.5 nautical miles southwest of Clinton Evans Airport. 307 AGL. 548 feet AGL or 404 feet AGL. Alright, let's go. What is the height of the group obstacles? Let's find out. Group obstacles. It could be buildings. It could be towers. It could be wind turbines. Come on, you. There we are. And Area 2 and 2 nautical miles southwest. I gotta spin it. Yeah. 2 nautical miles southwest. Area 2. Area 2. Where's Clinton? Come on, let's control the chart here. You're in 4 now. Get back up there. Not controlling the chart very well. Oh. Getting late. 9:30. Area 2. Southwest. Clinton. Okay, Clinton. Oh. 2 nautical miles southwest. It's a big M. You got yellow around it. I'm looking at 401. Is that 401? 401 AGL. It's pretty darn close. There it is. Yep, 401. What cloud types would indicate convective turbulence? Cirrus clouds, cumulus stratus clouds, towering cumulus clouds. Indicate convective turbulence. Holy cow, I got no clue. Cirrus, nimbus, towering cumulus. I gotta go nimbus, meaning rain. What types would indicate Dip turbulence. Towering. Cumulus. I'm going to try it. Nimbostratus clouds. Let's go with that. Ah! Towering cumulus. Shoot. I was thinking about that too. No, missed it. You're a remote pilot for a co-op energy service provider. You are to use your UA to inspect power lines in a remote area 15 hours away from your home office. After the drive, fatigue impacts your abilities to complete your assignment on time. Fatigue can be recognized easily by an experienced pilot as being in an impaired state, by an ability to overcome sleep deprivation. Well, in this case, I guess easily by an experienced pilot, but as being in an impaired state, because you're over your normal, you haven't had your 8 hours sleep prior to that. So I'm going to go with impaired state. Yes, impaired state. Your UA damages. Would you cut that out? No. Okay. Your small UA damages property whose fair value market is $800, and it would cost $400 to repair the damages. Do you need to report an incident to the FAA? Fair market. No, because the repair cost is less than fair market. No, because the repair cost is below $800. No, because the repair cost is below $500. Basically because no, your fair market is over the $500 because your repair cost is below $800. It's got to be, repair cost has got to be above $500. So no, because repair cost is below $500. So they only want to know major issues, like if you hit somebody in the head and you knock them out, or you got to go to the hospital for concussion or something. Other person may act as a remote PIC or VO for more than. No person may act as a remote PIC or a visual observer for more than one unmanned aircraft operation at a time, 2 unmanned aircraft operations at a time, 5 unmanned aircraft operations at a time. Only 1 PIC and 1 visual observer per operation. Per one unmanned aircraft. Bingo. Okay. Refer to figure 25. Area full. Which airport is depicted as being a hard surface runway between 1,500 to 8,069 feet in length and a control tower? Okay, Copeland, Hicks, or Fort Meacham. Let's see. Jeez. Let's see. Get it right here. 25. Last one. Last one for me. Okay. 25, and it is area FAA. And we're looking to find out which has got $710. Meacham has got 855. runway between 15 to 80 in length, and a control tower. Okay, Hicks has got it. Region 71 lights, ATM. And it's got, actually got fuel at that one. Hicks 8,500. And what's the last airport? 1,500 feet. From 1,500 feet to 80. 850. Dude, I gotta go with Hicks. I think I gotta go with Hicks. See if I get it right. Oh, I gotta go with Hicks. I think I gotta go with Hicks. Hard surface runway. One more time. Hard surface runway. Copeland doesn't have a hard surface. Meet you. Hicks is hard surface. I gotta go with Hicks. I'm gonna go with Hicks. See what happens. That's my last question. Ah, no. It's Mitchum. Jesus. How? Mitchum. 7, 710. 575. 75. Was that your home? Altitude. 75. I know it's 7,500. It was only 3,700 feet. 59. Yeah, maybe it was had 7 out, 75 after the L, which is your length of your runway. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. Catch you on the next